back to my video. This time, let me tell you 7 ways to deal with all house wet basement. If you are interested, please continue watching this video. Fortunately, there are lots of solutions you can try to lower your water trouble and make the basement suitable for finishing and also modern day storage space. Right here are just a few of the waterproofing methods that are effective for older houses. 1. Improve your home's natural drainage. Check your downspout as well as the incline of the ground around your home. All water should be directed a number of feet away from your structure. If the ground inclines towards your house, you can check into rating the yard for better circulation. 2. Check your crawl space. If you have even more moisture towards the crawl space end of your basement, installing a waterproofing cellular lining in your crawl space can assist to avoid extra water flow into the basement. 3. Seal the cracks. Several older homes have weak or permeable mortar in brick as well as debris structures. Seal these cracks to help reduce the circulation of water. Seal them from the outside or have them properly infused. 4. Use an interior sealer. For percentage of shipping, you can make use of a paintable waterproofing sealer on the interior of your house that can hold up against the gentle stress of extra water during rainstorm or springtime runoff. It's not a remedy for full-on floodings, however for moist wall surface, it will give protection versus mold and mildew development as well as progressive water damage. 5. Install an interior sump pump. For more severe water problems, you do need an active elimination service. Sump pumps rest below the grade of your basement. They accumulate water as it increases. When the water obtains above a particular point, the pump triggers and also pumps the water away from your home. 6. Snag your gravity drain. Lots of older homes have original gravity drains indicated to divert the circulation of water in the basement. If these are not draining well, a little drip can end up being a flooding. Even though you intend to prevent also a flow, your gravity drain is what secures your completings and also items from severe flooding damage. 7. Seal and improve your window wells. Over time, the window wells in all basements can full of silt and debris. Lot of times, the block retainers are no longer functioning. Windows can come to be a resource of leakage. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next video.